Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. Don't forget that you should always have it in mind to subscribe because good information they real informate. Alright, we're talking about white Nisa black soap, which I've told you about some time ago. This is it. We have it in a large quantity. Basically, let me tell you something about black soap. There are some natural things like I know vividly that properties that black soap have. Every other soap don't contain all that. Are you getting it? It's very, very rare that you see that other soap because those are really mixed with other chemicals already. So now let me tell you, do you know basically black soap is for all skin type? Yes, it is. It's for all skin type, and it have this kind of, I would say, there's every tendency that again it has antibacterial properties in it for all skin type one, and it also have antibacterial property in it. You see the benefit? Wow. So it's amazing that you should have all this in mind. So, and again, it's said that it can lighten your skin. All right. Yes, it can lighten, it can remove, it can fade away a little dark spot a bit when it's raw. Are you getting it? So I mean, there are a lot of things I know it have. So I mean, we shouldn't really dive into that now. Let's go to where we headed, which is the white Nisa black soap. If black soap can have all that already, now how much now that he has been refined to white Nisa black soap? You see, now that that's been refined, that's been given more definition, more purpose to it. So now it's a very, very clear to us that now is not a white Nisa soap because that's been refined, that's been premixed. So that is why we say white Nisa black soap have the tendency to remove not only dark spot, not only antibacterial, but it also can moisturize your skin and make you also to lighten your skin and make you also white in 7 days, because that is how it's being customized. Are you getting it? And also it can also work on acne, because some people have a lot of acne, so this can also remove all that. If you be prone to maybe like eczema, or you prone to some other skin reaction, you can also use black soap, just the ordinary one, like when it's not promised, to treat all that. Are you getting it? So white Nisa black soap contains a lot of benefits, all what you know black soap contains. Then in the advanced method of it that being used on it to make the formula to be refined to this particular extent, this soap, I tell you that not only whitening soap, but it can also treat your skin, because a lot of us have skin issues. So this is soap that you can rely on. If you don't want to be using, if you know that you don't want to be using lotion, you can rely on white Nisa black soap wherever you are in the world, no matter your weather condition. You can rely on white Nisa black soap. This is the real soap for all of us. So let's go grab it. Wherever you are, you can place your order. So kindly place your order.